All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to go over the features of Sublime Text 3. So let's head down to our taskbar down here where we pinned Sublime Text 3 to the taskbar. I'm going to click on the icon. And now we have Sublime Text 3 open. So the first thing I want to talk about is just general features of Sublime Text 3. So the first section I'm going to talk about is the file menu. So here you can create a new file. So if I hit that right there, it's going to make a new file and it's going to say untitled. Okay, so we'll close that out. You can open a file. So if I click that, it's going to send me to wherever I select here, and I can open a file if I have one. Okay, if I go to the open folder, same situation. I can go to the desktop, and if I had anything here, I could select it and then it would pop up here. Okay, and then you can open recent. So if you had open files before, which I have, you can reopen with encoding, new view into file, which is not available right now. You can save with encoding, save as, save all, do a new window. Let's try that one. Okay, so that'll pop up a new window. And you can do close window, close file, close all files, and exit. So those are pretty self-explanatory what those do. The edit menu, you can undo or redo an edit that you did. You can undo a selection. You can cut, copy, paste, paste and indent, paste from history. Line, you can adjust the indent, unindent, re-indent, swap line up, swap line down, duplicate line, delete line, and join line. So same with these, you can toggle comment, you can toggle block comment. Text, you can do a lot of interesting things in this part of the edit area. Selection, you got find, so you can do find next, find previous, increment find, replace next, quick find all, quick add next, quick skip next, use selection for find, use selection for replace, find in files, find results. Okay, now view, this is a good one because you can show open files, which I don't have any, but when you add a folder, this is going to be opened up, and this is where your folder would be with all your files in it. Okay, so what I'm going to do for right now is I'm going to hide the sidebar. You can hide the menu. You can enter full screen, so I'm going to do that once. Okay, now if you hit F11, then that's going to bring you back to the regular view. You can enter distraction free mode, which is Shift F11 to get into that and out of it. So I'll just hit that again, just so you can see it. Layouts, you can do single, you can do columns 2, 3, 4, rows 2, 3, and then grid 4. So let's try that one. Oh, that's pretty cool. Where was it at? Right here. Okay, so let's just do single for right now. Yep. So syntax. So let's say that you're writing in HTML. Okay, this would be the syntax for HTML. And what they mean by that is it's going to color code for HTML syntax. Okay, now you can change that when we learn, if you take another one of my courses and you take a CSS course, let's say, or a JavaScript course, then you can change it to that. It's a very handy tool. You can add the ruler, spell check, they have a dictionary, go to. This is just so you can go to different parts. Tools, you can build system, build with, build results. This is more for dynamic coding. Now, install package control. Okay, that should, let's see here. Project, so you can open a project, switch project, quick switch project, open recent, save project as, save workspace as, add folder to project. We're going to be using this in a later video. Preferences, browse packages, settings, syntax specific, distraction free, key bindings. You can change the color scheme. So let's look at that. So you got breakers, Let me go back and see here. Yeah, I'm going to keep it on this one right here. But you can change it to whatever color theme you want, or scheme, I should say. They got themes. I'm going to keep it as is. You can change the fonts, package settings, package control, and then help. And you can, so that's basically the menu. So I'm going to select the default one there. Now, there's a couple things I want to just show you real quick, and then we're going to head on to the next section. When you type out some text, I'm just going to write some text, okay? And I'm going to do the same thing down here and right here too. Now, the reason why I'm showing you this is I want to show you a quick shortcut. So if you watch the bottom part of my screen here, it's going to show you all the shortcuts that I do. So if I don't announce it, look for the words down here, okay? So I'm going to hit Control and I'm going to click. It's already there. I'm going to click here and I'm going to click here. And so what this tool does is this gives you the ability to select multiple lines of text. So if you had to edit the same tag 4 times, or the same CSS property 4 times, or you had to edit something 4 times, you can hold Control and click with your mouse to those 4 areas, or in this case 3 areas, and you can add, or I can delete. And you can edit a document all at once without having to just go line by line. You can basically edit 3 lines at once, or however many lines you pick. Okay, so now let's, we have, I'm going to get an official count here just so I can show you. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Whoop, I screwed up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Which you can see right here. Now, if I type in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12, I was able to do that without having to go to each line and type it in. By selecting all the lines, I was able to add that text all at once. So this will speed up a lot of updates and things that you're doing when you're using Sublime Text 3. So that's all I have for this video. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.